should you store your quilt blocks? Welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth and I help you make beautiful things with quilting, pajagi, and embroidery. So if you're like me, you have lots of projects that are in progress, and so they're not finished, but they're in the process of being made. And you might also have a bunch of quilt blocks that were maybe started for a project, but they didn't fit in. Maybe you didn't like the color combination. Maybe they're the wrong size, but they're just a bunch of blocks left over that aren't actually in a project. So if you have a bunch of quilt blocks, what is the best way to store those? Well, my favorite way to store quilt blocks is in these scrapbook boxes. And you can find these at craft stores and discount stores. And the nice thing about these is these are designed to hold 12-inch squares of paper. And so they're designed for scrapbooking, but they are just the right size for a 12.5-inch block. You can see it fits in there perfectly. And if you have smaller blocks, that's not a problem. If you have something with big blocks, like 15-inch blocks, 18-inch blocks, you would have to fold them to put in here. But I'm guessing most of your blocks are going to be just the right size. So next time you see a sale on these at your craft store, pick a couple up for quilting. For more quick tips about quilting and answers to all your quilting questions, you can check out here my YouTube channel or my website, epidastudio.com.